In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a skincare Shopify website. We are going to focus on customizing your storefront theme so your skincare brand looks polished and professional. As you follow along, make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin and that you are viewing your online store area. This is the part where changes to your theme start to become visible to customers. First, click Online Store. This takes you to the section where you can manage how your shop looks. On this screen, you will see options related to your theme and how your site is presented. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct dashboard area, because the next steps depend on being in the theme editor. Next, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme tools, where you can adjust layout elements without needing to write any code. When you see the theme editor load, you will be able to select specific parts of your page. You are not just changing colors randomly, you are choosing the areas that customers actually interact with. Now, under Template, click Hero. The Hero section is usually the top area of your website that grabs attention right away. For a skincare site, this area is especially important because it often includes a banner image that communicates your brand style. Go ahead and look for the area labeled Template, and then find the option that says Hero. After that, click Image. This step lets you update the visual banner that appears in your Hero section. When you click Image, you should see a picker or upload window. This is where you will choose the skincare image you want customers to see first. Choose an image that matches your brand, such as a product shot, skincare routine scene, or clean background image. Next, select your skincare image. Spend a moment choosing the right photo, because the Hero image sets the tone for the entire site. Try to use a clear, high-quality image that fits well in a banner layout. If the image preview looks stretched or blurry, you may want to pick a different one that has better resolution. Once you have selected the correct image, click Done. This confirms your choice and updates the Hero image field. At this stage, you should see the Hero area reflect your selection. If you do not see it immediately, give the editor a moment to refresh. The goal is to make sure your new image is actually applied before you continue. Now, under Featured Collection, click Add Section. This is the next part of building your storefront, because featured collections help you organize products and guide customers toward the items you want to highlight. By adding a section to Featured Collection, you are creating a more complete page that feels curated rather than empty. After that, add Multi-Column. When you choose Multi-Column, Shopify will give you a layout that can display multiple items or promotional blocks in a clean grid style. For skincare websites, this is a great way to showcase different categories like cleansers, serums, moisturizers, and more, while still keeping everything visually neat. Finally, click Save. Saving is an important step because it locks in your changes so they actually appear on your live storefront. Before you wrap up, it can help to glance at the updated page preview to confirm the Hero image and the new Featured Collection section show up the way you expect. If anything does not look right, you can always go back and adjust, but saving ensures your work is not lost, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.